Pomfret curry. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized pomfrets sliced, coriander 3 cups, green chilies 4 to 5, garlic 4 cloves, ginger 1 inch, black peppercorns 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, 1 small onion, 2 large tomatoes, half cup shredded coconut, tamarind pulp 1 tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, salt as required. Apply salt to the pomfret pieces and set aside for 15 minutes. In a grinder jar, take 3 cups coriander, 4 green chilies, 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin, half cup shredded coconut, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon tamarind pulp. Grind to a fine paste. After 15 minutes, wash the pieces to remove all the salt. Heat oil. Saute 1 small onion till it turns brown. Now add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and cook till they become soft. Add the masala paste. Add water as required. Add salt. Bring to a boil. Now add the fish pieces in the gravy. Let it simmer for 10 minutes on medium flame and then turn off the flame. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell, like, share and comment in the comment section below.